Let me show you how to create Glass Morphism Effect in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, select Ellipse tool and draw one ellipse. Right-click on Layer and go to Blending Options. Add Gradient Overlay and change gradient colors. Duplicate the ellipse layer and change the position of ellipse. Now go to the blending options. Add gradient overlay and change the color of gradient. Again, duplicate the ellipse layer. Change the position of ellipse like this. Right-click on Layer and go to the blending options. Add gradient overlay and change gradient colors like this. Now go to Rectangle tool and draw one rectangle like this. Now curve the corner of rectangle. Right-click on Rectangle layer and go to Blending Options. Add Gradient Overlay. Change gradient color to white and decrease both side opacity like this. Now decrease fill to 0. Adjust the position of ellipse. Again, go to Blending Options. Add some stroke. Now add drop shadow and follow these settings. Now select Rectangle layer and convert into Smart Object. Go to Blending option and add some inner shadow like this. Now add text like this. Duplicate the group layer. Select all these layers and convert into Smart Object. Now go to Filters Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Set blur to 9 and then OK. That's it, Glass Morphism is ready. Subscribe for amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching.